What if I told you that you could actually change your entire life just by changing the words you speak to yourself? It sounds simple, right? But today, we're going to dive into this powerful idea from our source material, the mirror shift, and how it can literally reprogram your mind for greatness. So let me ask you something right off the bat. The words you use when you talk to yourself, are they chains holding you down, or are they wings getting you ready to fly? Really think about that for a second, because that question is at the absolute heart of everything we're talking about today. Let's break that down. On one side, you've got chains. You know what I'm talking about, that negative self-talk, the I can't, the I'm not good enough. It's all rooted in doubt, and it keeps you stuck. But on the other side, you've got wings. These are the powerful declarations about who you are, rooted in a deep sense of purpose. And that, well, that's what leads to incredible growth. So what exactly are these wings? The source material calls them daily affirmations. But now hold on. This isn't just wishful thinking or some kind of flimsy positive thinking trick. No. These are powerful, intentional declarations of your identity, your faith, and your destiny. They are tools you can use to literally rewire your brain and align your spirit. I love this analogy from the source material. Think of your mind, your soul, as this really fertile garden. Every single word you speak to yourself is a seed. And if you keep planting seeds of doubt and fear, well, you know what kind of harvest you're going to get. But what happens if you start intentionally planting seeds of confidence, of purpose, of strength? Over time, that's exactly what will grow. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but does it actually work? Well, this isn't just theory. Let's look at a powerful, true story from the source material about an author's own amazing transformation. So the author, a guy named Dennis, he tells this story about writing a book and just being crippled with self-doubt. He felt like a total fraud, like his message just didn't matter. So what did he do? He stood in front of a mirror and started whispering these exact words to himself. He says at first it felt, well, pretty ridiculous, super awkward and forced. But check out what happened. He didn't stop. Day after day, he kept at it, and he noticed his voice getting stronger, his posture changed. And then within a few short weeks, something incredible shifted. His confidence just exploded, and real, tangible opportunities started showing up out of nowhere. That mirror literally became his launching pad. So okay, that's one person's story. It's an incredible one, for sure. But the real question is, what could this do for you? What actually happens in your life when you commit to this daily discipline of speaking life and truth over yourself? Well, the source breaks it down into 4 key transformations. First, your mindset. That constant inner critic gets quieter, and a real solid confidence starts to take its place. Second, your habits actually start to change. You just start acting like the person you're declaring yourself to be. Third, your influence grows. People are just drawn to that certainty and purpose. And finally, your spirit. You start to feel deeply connected to why you're even here. All right, so you're probably getting the why behind all this. Now for the big question, how? How do you actually start? Well, let's get super practical, because the source lays out a simple 6-step guide to get you going on this journey, like right now. Okay, here it is. Step 1, just pick 3. 3 powerful affirmations for whatever you're going through right now. Step 2, and this is crucial, you gotta say them out loud, looking at yourself in a mirror every morning. Step 3, write them down. Put them on your desk, on your bathroom mirror, somewhere you'll see them all the time. Step 4 is to anchor them in something bigger than yourself, like a core belief. Step 5, keep a journal. Track what happens for 30 days. And step 6, and please don't skip this one, tell a trusted friend. That accountability is a game changer. And if you're thinking, I don't even know what to say, no problem. Here are some powerhouse examples right from the author. I am disciplined, I am favored, I am unstoppable. And you notice the language, right? It's not, I hope I'll be, or I'm trying to be. It is, I am, present tense. That's the secret sauce. So, all of this builds up to a pretty clear and exciting call to action from the source, a 30-day challenge. It's an invitation to take these 6 steps and just go all in for 1 month. You speak it, you start to believe it, and then you watch as you begin to live it. And, you know, the really cool thing is that this isn't just about you. The source talks about this amazing ripple effect. When you change your internal world, it actually changes the atmosphere around you. The way you show up for your family, at work, in your community, it all changes. You start radiating this new energy that impacts everyone you meet. That's the commitment. That's all it is. 30 days, Just 1 month of intentionally speaking truth and purpose over yourself every single morning. It's such a small discipline when you think about it, but it has the potential for these massive, life-altering results. So, we end up right back where we started. Your words have incredible power. They can be the chains that keep you stuck, or they can be the wings that help you soar above it all. The choice and the words you use, they're entirely up to you. So, what are you going to say? Speak them, and then just watch what happens.
Want to start your week with power, peace, and purpose? Join the Affirm Your Greatness community, where faith meets mindset, all for just $9 a month or $50 a year. This is your space to speak life, grow boldly, and walk in God's promises. Affirm your greatness, speak life, live boldly.
Now available on Amazon.com. Unlock the transformative power of positive affirmations with this essential guide by certified personal development coach and motivational speaker, Dennis of DennisMotivates.com. In Affirm Your Greatness, you'll discover the science behind affirmations and learn how to craft personalized affirmations that resonate with your unique journey. Get your copy today. Find the link in the description. Thanks.